AI construction drawing tutorial: how to read blueprints with AI. Reading construction drawings is one of the skills that separates beginners from professionals. Now, at first, blueprints look like random lines, symbols, and numbers. Walls, beams, dimensions, annotations, grids, it all feels pretty overwhelming. Traditionally, it takes months or even years to become comfortable reading them properly. But in 2026, AI is changing how people learn and interact with construction drawings. Instead of manually decoding everything from scratch, you can now pretty much use AI tools to explain drawings in plain language, break complex plans into simple sections, identify components automatically, summarize entire blueprints, and even help you learn faster while you work. So, in this tutorial, you will learn how to use AI to understand construction drawings step by step. And you can do that without getting lost in technical complexity. So, let's get started. Now, first and foremost, what are construction drawings? Construction drawings, or blueprints, are technical documents that show how a building or structure is designed and built. They're usually going to include the architectural design, okay? And that architectural design is going to go ahead and make sure to include layout of rooms, doors, windows, walls, and dimensions. Then there's structural drawings, which has beams, columns, foundations, load-bearing systems. Then moving on, you have the electrical drawings, which have wiring, switches, circuits, and lighting layouts. And then you have plumbing drawings, which have water supply, drainage, and pipe routes. Now, each of these drawings are going to focus on a different system. Now, AI works best when you clearly separate these systems before analyzing them. Now, blueprints are quite difficult because they're going to require spatial thinking, symbol knowledge, technical understanding, and experience with standards. Now, AI helps by translating complexity into simple explanations. So instead of interpreting every symbol yourself, AI can explain what each of these sections is going to represent. Now, basically, it's going to summarize all of your layouts, highlight different key components, then it's going to compare systems, identify missing or unclear elements. So think of AI as a translator between technical drawings and human understanding. Now, before relying on AI, you need to be pretty realistic. Now, AI does not replace architects or engineers. Basically, guarantee accuracy for construction decisions are not there. Underrated physical site conditions, or even validate structural safety. Although AI can help you understand the drawings much faster, it's going to support all of your learning, assist you in documentation, break down complex information. So, the correct mindset is AI equals to learning assistant, not final authority. Now, AI works best when drawings are structured clearly. So instead of uploading messy files blindly, convert your blueprint into readable input. So basically, let's say we have this blueprint right here. Now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take a screenshot. Now, once that is done, you can go over to any AI. So let's say I'm going to go over to Gemini, right? And Instead, as I said, of uploading proper messy lines about it, you could simply give a structural drawing to it. So once we've given it, we can simply ask it to, you know, give a written format for this. And then you can even give it an example. And the example could be room A, connotations, size, then door. Let's go with window, and let's go with electrical points. Now, once we've provided it with the blueprint and we've told it the format, the AI is going to go through and see everything. And look at that. It gives you the main floor layout with the size, the ceiling height, the doors. Then we have windows and then different features. So it gives us a detailed breakdown of everything. Now, let's say you create something like this totally from blueprint, or this is something you have been provided from the get-go through, the users. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy most of this. And this structured approach is going to go ahead and help AI understand relationships much more clearly. And if you're using scanned PDFs, you can also extract different types of texts, pretty much using different OCR tools, label sections manually, and break the drawing into parts. So let's say I provide AI with this information, and I'm going to tell AI to create blueprint out of this. So once we do something like that, and once all of your data is ready, as you can see, it will go ahead and create a proper plan of the architecture, how it looks, how it forms, etc. And now you're going to be like, create an image of a blueprint for this. And once we do that, as you can see, Gemini or any AI starts going ahead. Now, ask AI the right prompt. Adding simply something like explain this blueprint or create an image of blueprint is a weak prompt. To give it a strong prompt, you can go ahead with something like analyze this architectural floor plan and break it down into rooms, different dimensions and functional areas. You can explain each section in simple language for a beginner. And even better, you can act as a construction assistant, identifying all rooms, doors, windows, and structural elements. Now, as you can see, I've asked AI and look at how incredible the actual blueprint is. This is how the general blueprint looks like, and this is how it looks like with AI. Pretty cool, right? So basically, this is how simple and easy it is to go ahead and create blueprints or construction drawing through AI. Now, reading construction drawing is a skill that traditionally takes time and experience. AI does not eliminate that learning curve, but it does make it significantly faster and more accessible. So instead of struggling alone with complex blueprints, you now have a tool that can explain, simplify, and guide you through the process. The key is not replacing understanding, but accelerating it. So start with simple drawings, use AI as a guide, and ask better questions. And gradually, you're going to build your own expertise. So that is pretty much about it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And I will be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.